Is your lifting equipment safe and compliant? This video explores the essential elements of a comprehensive LOLER inspection checklist. Discover how to ensure the safety and compliance of lifting operations across various workplaces. Before using lifting equipment, verify proper labeling with clear, safe working load markings. Ensure that the equipment is registered on the LOLER register. Confirm that a valid thorough examination certificate is current and accessible on-site. Operator manuals and safety instructions should be available, with visible warning signs. Always verify equipment use within defined safe load limits. Check chains, slings, and ropes for any damage or wear. Inspect for twisted, frayed, or broken strands and ensure connectors are distortion-free. Cranes and hoists should be free from visible damage with leak-free hydraulic systems. Test brake systems and ensure moving parts are lubricated. Verify lifting attachments for compatibility and proper installation. Ensure loads are balanced, stable, and securely fastened. Confirm slings and accessories are rigged correctly to prevent shifting. Establish a lifting plan for complex loads, marking lifting zones clearly. Maintain clear communication between operators and signalers. Always check weather conditions to ensure safe lifting operations. After lifting, properly shut down equipment and clear obstructions. Store equipment in designated areas following safety procedures. Conduct thorough examinations by qualified personnel. Ensure up-to-date examination reports are available. Address and correct all defects before equipment returns to service. Maintain all lifting equipment records, including certification and examination reports. Operator training records should be current and accessible. Keep a LOLER compliance logbook signed off regularly. Ensure risk assessments are available for all operations. Follow up on previous inspection recommendations and document them. By following this comprehensive checklist, you ensure lifting equipment remains safe and compliant. Regular inspections and thorough documentation are crucial for safety and regulatory compliance. Implement these practices to maintain a secure working environment.